Let's get it. Man, we got another crazy one on the screen here, y'all. This is the I Love Girls from Chicago podcast. On your left is 16 ShotEm, and on your right is a guy named KP Nene or Nini, however you want to say it. Either way, I don't like the name. I'm sorry. But 16 ShotEm and this guy had a back and forth online because 16 ShotEm, who is I want to say, hold on, let me ask Google who is 16 ShotEm again, because I want to say who is 16 ShotEm from Chicago? Let's see here.
16 Chatham likely refers to the Chatham neighborhood in Chicago, which is designated as community.
Okay, that's not what I asked
44,
Google for. That's not. Who is 16 ShotEm from Chicago?
In Chicago.
So we're not gonna do that. So 16 ShotEm is from Chicago, and I believe he's a videographer or a DJ. I want to say he's a videographer, if I'm not mistaken. But he's had his whole scandals and all this other stuff over the years and everything. But he was online and he saw this guy on the right, KP Nini. Someone posted his video or song or something like that to the effect, and he responded on it, and which is 16 ShotEm responded on that post and said that it was trash. So from what 16 ShotEm said, he forgot how much his reach is and that he is who he is, and that a regular person who doesn't have a name like him or himself it's going to be more polarizing when he comments than if I was the comment, because nobody know me yet. You know what I'm saying? So the guy on the right went on a whole rant, a whole, stalking thing, I guess, if you want to say. This is what 16 has said. He's actually said this on his own platform. I went and watched it not too long ago. So if you want to go watch that, go on 16 ShotEm and he'll give you the whole background. But I'm breaking this down how I'm breaking this down. So the guy starts to stalk him. And when he's stalking him, he's sending him all types of stuff, sending him all, all these different things to tell him, FM, all this other stuff, So then someone sends 16 ShotEm a video to react to, like I'm doing. And he reacted to Homeboy on the right. This is my right, y'all. Don't think I'm crazy. It's just the way the video's inverted. But Homeboy on the right, he reacts to a video of him, but he didn't know that was the same guy that he already dissed on Instagram about his music being horrible. So got into a big thing and everything, and then I guess somehow they all got connected together somehow, I think through this young lady here and this guy here, and they got them to sit down, and it went crazy, y'all. Let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it.
To fight me? Yes. Oh my God. Come on.
Oh no. Go. What's the word? It's KB Nini. I'm just a girl from Chicago. And today I got with me Capo Risky. How you coming, gang?
Go, free life.
Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. Her name is KP Nini. Gets why it's a girl name. I'm sorry, y'all. See? I'm reacting to it just watching it from the start. I just seen him talking about it, so then I came over here and start reacting to it. So.
Hey, shout him back. What's that word, gang?
What's that word, man?
We got K-Shot back. What's that word, gang?
K-Swizzle.
K-Shot. See, I knew it was something like that. I see, my bad, y'all.
And before we start this podcast, I got to say my disclaimer. I really, really hope.
Don't let what you do get you up. Or what you say?
Listen, everything we say on the podcast is for entertainment purposes only. It's for entertainment purposes only.
Nobody listens to the disclaimer anyway. Folks.
Please do not get yourself in a situation.
She look like she smoked.
About to get up about something we say.
About something I said, you said. Okay.
Let's mix this bitch. Today is different.
Okay.
Like she
Both
make
got a
ones.
disclaimer.
Okay, what's this disclaimer?
Don't let your words or my words get you up.
Yeah, okay.
Whatever she be saying.
Basically, that's the disclaimer, y'all. But listen, today We gonna be adults. We not gonna let words make us get physical at all. We gonna talk verbally.
Right.
Homeboy, both of them on edge. You
No
can tell
physical.
body language.
Let's get
We
that
got the
out the way right now.
glove. We got the glove.
No fight. No.
See, when you started an interview like this or a podcast like this, because I've been in the podcast game for a little bit now, and the energy starts off like this, just end it. Just end it. He already on 10 where he like, yo, I want to fight. Like, you should have just ended it right here, right then and there. I'm sorry.
You want to? You want to get a
Let's
glass?
talk.
No, we got the-
Before the interview?
We got the glove.
No
That's might as
gloves.
well.
That's better for
gonna
after
go
the
up.
interview.
No gloves.
You just said he got them.
They should just put the
He
gloves
messed.
No, because you do it before, then they can see the after effect. You see what I'm saying? Like, because if we
No
do it after
glove.
the interview,
First of all-
they go online and pop and say whatever. But we do it now and then come sit down. You know,
It ain't go nah.
Animosity
Out
off
of
our
breath and
chest.
shit.
Hold
Knot it
on.
up
Wait,
and all.
first
We
of
gotta ask
all,
him. You want to do that, Brody?
Oh, we're gonna save it for the knuckles and buckles. We're gonna save it for
so
that.
no,
No, we're gonna save
No.
it for the other show.
you should stop playing with people like that.
okay, so wait a minute. What the
Hey.
is going on? First of
He
all,
called him out.
You a freaky
Oh
ass.
my
And he
God.
called them out, man. If you gonna be stalking a person, you're gonna be doing all this other stuff, and you get in front in their face and you cop the deuce. If I was 16, shot him, I would have just left, man. At that point, I'd be like, man, he don't want this, man. He don't really want
wait a
this.
minute.
Time out, time out, time
Look,
out,
look,
time
look,
out,
look.
time out, time out, time out, time out.
He ready to? He don't go already.
That is a strong. That's a strong allegation.
I told y'all when I don't be playing.
That's a strong allegation to put somebody.
No, he a grown man. He can say whatever.
That's what tricky. We're not gonna do it.
No.
That's a strong allegation to put on
Yeah,
a
he called
man.
him
Why
a-
would you say
a
something like
pedo.
that?
Then we go sit down. Because then I ain't gonna be mad no more. It's gonna be hard. I'm telling you.
Why would he say? Why was it going? What the f going
Because he
on?
think he protected.
Wait, no.
Both of them like,
No, that's not the case.
hey, she doing like Amari. You might
No,
pick her
I
ass
know
up.
you,
Oh, bro, you
I
got a
know
stroll. Bro, I ain't.
No, she strong as
Like
hell.
Flacco,
She grabbed the hell
That
out
was
of
a
him.
Heart
The nigga in
just
the
dropped to
corner.
my ass, though. I'm sorry.
Hey, listen, she need to play some football or something because the way she grabbed up before Shorty. If not, she need to just start boxing or something because Shorty got some good reflexes. I'm telling you, she grabbed up on him real quick
saying, no,
and she
I
held up on him.
So,
I told you she make blunts, y'all. I told you she's strong as shit. She chopped down blunt leaves.
bro, you shouldn't even told me that. You got this on camera. You tell me you gonna press charges if I do it on camera and shit.
No,
I think that's a misdemeanor, though, ain't it?
Probably.
Just looked it up before you got
Call
there.
the
That's
police.
the case. He is
You a
really
snitch?
challenged.
I am.
You a snitch?
No, I'm not no snitch.
She's not a snitch.
He's mentally challenged for
Nah,
real.
he's slow. You
He's
slow for
going
real,
to
though?
call the police
Not like
immediately.
merchant.
Are you slow?
Because if you slow, that's gonna get you.
You said you weren't
You gotta
coming
give
here.
him a pet.
You said you weren't coming here to physical architecture. You said you wanted to come here and bap. So I was just kicked it off. Like, what's up with that, man?
You gotta be slow to
Oh,
think
no,
I
he
wanna
is
sit
slow.
and talk to you. What I want to sit and talk to you,
You requested
gang?
this. I never wanted to
Yes,
meet
you-
you.
I didn't think
I
you was
never
dumb
wanted
enough
to
to
meet
agree to
you.
it.
So
Think
why
about
you,
it, bro.
Why,
Like, why
you
would you
here?
be sitting next to me on camera, gang? What can you do for me?
You agreed. You asked me to be
Yes,
here.
you shouldn't agree. You just walked into some stupid shit.
So what's the point of me being here?
And it's only one
Exactly.
point for you being here.
Fight,
wanted
y'all
to
just
put
go
the
fight.
pause
Hold on, like you was
He
just
said,
yeah,
"F the I love girls." He want a
hold on,
knuckles
like,
and belt
what
buckles
do you
episode.
what do you honestly think me and why would I sit with you and you ain't paying?
I
me,
thought
gang?
we was coming to get to the bottom of this.
I guess not.
I
to
told
move
Nene that,
forward.
but I know I gotta tell Nene that because Nene don't want to be responsible for putting nobody in harm's way. So I'm gonna tell Nene that's I ain't on that.
I
Don't
think
force
I
it.
am.
16.
But I'm respectful though. I ain't
Can we
finna
rewind
on nobody's
for a few
shit.
seconds?
But I do like this. What I'm saying though,
Can
like
we at least make this 8 minute
no,
clip?
because this what I'm here for. But this what I'm saying though, right?
You are about to clip
This-
right
this-
now, Risky.
This what I'm saying, right?
We already rolling.
He's finna
I'm
die.
Motherfuckers say all this, shit, right?
Clip.
Say all this wild shit.
I thought you was
So
a
it's like
blind
stand
before.
on it. We here now.
Listen,
You know, like now motherfuckers like, all right, let's go
That
for the
was just
gloves.
wild.
Let's do it the right way.
That was
Motherfuckers
the
just
first
take
8
off
seconds
on
of the
you.
interview. That was wild. Like I'm so confused on what the fuck.
I
is
don't
going
even
on.
know
I'm-
what the
I'm
fuck is
confused as
going
well.
That's
on.
what I'm saying. Like
I
this
just
nigga
know-
piped
Yeah, we
up.
gonna
You
figure it
saying
out.
absurd ass shit.
Let's
on
not
camera.
use
What
that
the
word.
fuck? Like that's a strong word, bleed. What the fuck is going on?
Hey, I ain't gonna lie
This
though.
is word.
I could tell you my
All
issue
this
with him.
content shit. Hey,
I
stop
could tell
What
talking
is
real
your
quick.
issue?
All
with
this
16?
content shit, I'm gonna let you know right now, blood. Watch your words, gang. Cause I don't get. I'm gonna tell you right now. I don't
You
give a
asked-
fuck. Hold on,
you-
hold on. Cause I
you
want
asked
to
me to
warn
be
you
here.
before we finish this shit. I don't give a fuck about you calling the police. I don't. No disrespect to nobody in here. Can't none of them say you, gang.
Why you asking
So
to
we
be
gonna
here?
do this shit. Watch your mouth, gang. Because the next
Let's
time you
be
say anything
respectful.
crazy, on my dead grandma, I'm wrecking this bitch.
Oh
And he
boy.
murdered.
Let's
Once
be
they say on they dead on ShotEm in Chicago, you better call.
respectful, please.
I'm just saying it.
Please.
Are you making content?
Oh
Are you
my
making
God.
content?
Even the owner say, ain't nobody wrecking nothing.
He say what he said again.
Come here, but nobody ever gonna say they wrecking my shit.
No
Yeah, 'cause
disrespect to
that's
you,
like
gang, but on
basically
phone
calling-
now.
I
This
invite you in my house. If I ever go in your house, I'm not gonna.
We gotta
wreck
be
your shit.
respectful, folks.
He ain't been disrespectful.
And that's what I'm finna say. Allow me.
the house guest being disrespectful.
Why you ain't telling him when he doing all that, gang? Because y'all can't be on the same area. I don't know.
Yeah, 16, you tripping. Once the owner or the person that's of the establishment, even like you said, even if it's your house, yo, you supposed to pipe down. You could leave. You don't have to be there. That's just that's what a lot of people fail to realize. When you put yourself in these situations, you put yourself in a situation by going there for somebody that you don't even know in Chicago at that. So what are you proving? And then you saying you're gonna tear somebody else shit up, their establishment, because of this idiot, because of what he said. So you want to tear the place up? Like you wanted to go outside. Cool, keep it like that. But now you making threats about some other stuff. Now the owner has all right to pipe up how he's supposed to pipe up. Cause I'd have piped up the same way, like, yo, you ain't wrecking shit up in here. I'm telling you that now. I don't give a fuck who you is and what y'all got going on. Matter of fact, cut this shit off now. We done.
Say what's up to the camera, CC.
Don't pay it no.
Like y'all can't let no nigga call me no pedophile. And then
They can let him do whatever. Especially if it's an open case. That's why I was saying earlier, it's a thing that he been having some controversy already anyway. So yes, he can. He could openly call you that, especially if it's out in the public like that. That's up to you to defend yourself. That ain't them. The hell? He could call you whatever they want. They can't stop him from calling you nothing.
Has to address it.
he shouldn't even.
You ain't
I
getting
get what
folks.
you're saying, but once she said what she said, you have to like,
For you
This don't
think
got
I knew
nothing to
his
do with
first
her,
word? You think I knew his first words was going to be pedophile? For do you really think I knew
you think he
that?
know his last
Though?
words like that?
Exactly.
I know, no, I know he don't think that. He don't have even a clue of comprehending that. That's why I'm telling you on Carter Gray as a real street nigga, as big.
I'm a blogger. I'm a man.
I know.
Don't put
Today
no
you
street
showed up
nothing.
as a blogger. You feel me? On Carter Gray. This is not a street.
We men. We all men.
I understand that, and
He
let
might
me-
be a little rainbow, but he a man.
But he is real life.
He might be.
slow.
But he dissing too. I'm
Is
not
you-
slow.
He
He ain't slow. He said it.
He not slow.
He not slow.
That's disrespectful.
We got that on
He's not
camera. He's not slow.
But he's slow on what we
He know what he
from.
doing.
No, he don't. No, he don't.
No, he's slow, but
He
he
know
not
what he
slow.
Now, say
asked me-
Hey, shout out always CCBKE too, man.
Shout out
One of the best rappers in the rap.
Sorry for catching
Hold on,
that
let's
straight.
get this
You know I
under
love you,
control.
shorty.
Because first off, okay,
Because most
no
hood niggas are slow.
disrespect to Vega. We gotta respect his space. Yeah.
Man, why this
I
nigga
get it.
ask me to be here though?
Use your head. I just told you.
Okay.
What you came out here to fight me?
Yes.
So why not just hook? Why just not meet up in a place to fight? Why show up on a podcast to do all of this? Especially in the man establishment that you telling this man he gonna tear shit up.
Come on.
Oh no.
This should have been happened. This should have been happened. This should have happened from the start. It shouldn't even, y'all shouldn't even sat down.
Bro, I'm not gonna hold you though.
I want to push.
What you say about the gloves, folks?
You don't want no gloves, 16?
I got
Okay. Okay. Studio owner keeps everyone separated, ensuring all guest safety. 16 ShotEm attempting to push past to fight, ignoring all requests. Okay, so that's the owner right there in the front. That's the shorty in the middle, and that's 16 ShotEm in the backside with the other. And then I don't know who the hell it is up front. So.
I got it.
I mean, if they don't want the gloves, they don't want the gloves. They just fucking buy.
Let's do it. Hey, let's do it the right way. Ain't no
Owner sees everyone recording, and I want to see everyone that doesn't want to allow any more content. Stop recording for a second. I can
You don't want a second. You don't want. Ain't no right way.
owner let 16 ShotEm No, he respected their apologies for language too many people on my back. Apologizing for language too. I'm sorry, y'all. Owner tells K-Shad to go outside for a second to create more separation to talk to de-escalate. 16 ShotEm wants to leave as a chance to go outside with K-Shad to start pushing past. 16 ShotEm uses
this establishment, everybody gonna die and
You asked for.
Okay, that just ended off weird when he said everybody gonna die. Wait a minute, go back for a second.
That's your fault. I'm gonna leave. Stop me from leaving now, brother. You hear him before we leave.
At this point, Owner feels is getting out of hand, out of his control, and issues one last warning before defending others. Yes, from
Establishment, everybody gonna die and everybody.
Okay, so that was the owner that said that? Outside, we later apologized to 16 ShotEm, KP, Nini, for choice of words. We felt a threat and danger in our establishment, so we were preparing to self-defend and get as many people home safe at this as a last option. I'm sorry, y'all. If you hit me before we leave this establishment, everyone's gonna die. Whoa. Okay, I guess that was the owner. Meant we're legally and feel danger and we can't control. This is the last warning before we have to legally defend. With the guest being aggressive to lead to our response, mirroring energy. Once again, we apologize for the language, but tensions were high.
Wait. What the f***? Is y'all cool?
No, because we legal. We legal. Don't talk like that.
Okay, owner sees him reaching and reminds him we're legal. Owner then reacts to eliminate threat, but chooses to stay aggressive. Guess which one?
Everybody will die. Hands up on camera.
Everybody walking away to 16 ShotEm.
Hands up on camera. She trying to set me up for something. Ain't on my hands up. You trying to set me up. He told me everybody gonna die. So now I'm out blood.
So did he have a gun the whole time? Okay, so the owner has his hands up to eliminate threat.
He think he finna set me up no, I'm with you. So why is your hands up? Why is your hands up like I'm in a threat to you? I would never do this at your. Did I make a threat to you? Did I try to go outside? Let's do this.
No, you didn't make a threat to him, but he's trying to de-escalate by putting his hands up. He know he has a gun on him, and I'm sure everybody out there has a gun on because of Chicago. So he's putting his hands up to say, "Hey, I'm not a threat." He's not putting his hands up to say you're doing anything to him. He just don't want anything. So he stepped back and put his hands up, which I think is dope. I think it's smart. I think it's dope, and I think it's smart because it gives space and it gives, hey, I'm not the aggressor. I just don't want y'all to do this shit in my spot. Now y'all outside. Take it far away from here, because y'all gonna bring police over here and y'all gonna bring whatever case may be, and I don't want that. And that's just gonna mess up my business on top of that. So I agree with
and then I walk out. Y'all not out here. No, I gave him the gun because I don't want to have a gun on me while I'm wrestling. I respect the shit out of you. Do you not understand? I literally had it to him in front of you, so you know I'm not playing with no gun. I don't play with guns, gang. No, gang. So you can't give me 1 second. My issue ain't with you. I'm here for one thing. This is man of business. My issue ain't with you. Chief said we gonna die. Could you give me 1 second? Because I ain't made no death threats. And we all got guns.
Yeah, that did escalate the situation by him saying that. Even though now he's trying to de-escalate, I think he the man in him, the hood in him, and all of that, like, just made him say it the way he's saying, and other men are gonna take that as machismo and like, oh yeah, everybody gonna die. So he's like, what? Ain't nobody gonna. And then he pulls his gun, and then thank God nobody start blinking yet. Or didn't start blinking at all.
In my hand. Your safety is in my hand. You're not acting like a gang. I'm not the nigga. I know y'all know me for being broke. Look, we can get into it. We can fight. We can argue. I get over there. Don't make no death threats, though. I love friends. So friends.
I agree. Don't make threats.
All that fucking. A lot of this anger really ain't for y'all. I get that part. I get it. I know he got a business, and that's why nothing stuff in here. Cause I got a studio too. I think this way. I don't want nobody to do that. But if a nigga is calling somebody a pedophile in my studio, what I'm gonna do is say to him, all right, look, stop that, or y'all gotta take it outside.
Yeah, he kind of did do that though. He did. He told y'all. It's not. He's there to record y'all. He's not in there to stop y'all beef. Point blank. He told you y'all could take it outside once you said you gonna tear some shit up. So he did say that. Y'all have the responsibility as grown men to what's gonna hurt your feelings or whatever the case may be. That's on you. That has nothing to do with anybody else. That has nothing to do with what. I don't get what people are like. Yeah, you gonna let somebody say something about me? You can't let nobody. He's a grown ass man, just like you're a grown ass man. Simple. You ain't had to show up for this podcast. You could have showed up and it beat his ass somewhere. Point blank. Y'all didn't have to sit down. You didn't even have to show up to this man's establishment. So at the same time, yeah, the owner was wrong for saying that, but I get it at the same time. It's like y'all tripping. And if you put your hands on me in here and on top of it, you already disrespecting my establishment, yo, don't get it twisted. We get it. So I get it, and I don't, and it was fucked up at the same time. So.
To put somebody.
No, he a grown man. He can say.
So he did say it. See, I didn't even pay attention to it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the power of going back and rewinding and recording. So he did say that. I probably would have left it alone if I was the guy recording. I probably like, okay, here we go with this foolishness. Oh, we call him a pedophile. What's going on here? You know what I'm saying? But I guess he knows 16, so he probably like he like, nah, we ain't doing that. And he probably already know the allegations that have been put on him in this and the third.
Now, if that's what triggered, we're not gonna do it. No.
See, if that's what
That's
triggered,
a
then we not
strong
gonna do it.
allegation to put on a man. Why would you say something like that?
And the host said it too. True. The host said it. Why would you put it on the man like that? And this and the third. He just hurried up and hopped up.
Ain't gonna be mad no more.
Yeah, man. Y'all.
Take what you do best. And
I don't know. This is how people die every day. This is how people die every day because their ego. Hold up. Keep in mind, Onan sits here while recording. He has them arguing in front, and also 16 has two guests sitting on the stool behind owner. Guests are engaging and being aggressive as well. Except the woman guest. She helped de-escalate and is welcome back anytime. So the dudes ain't welcome back, but the girl is, because y'all was being aggressive on homeboy. So y'all just gonna jump him. You already know y'all had the blick and all that. Like, come on now. Like, what was you coming there for? What was you coming there for? On offer to pay. Yeah, he did offer to pay $1,000. He offered to pay them $1,000 to go knuckle it up.
Why would I really tell him? You gotta know. I thought you knew. I thought you was gonna come in here present. Because at the end of the day, he's supposed to be. So I didn't think that you was gonna call him. I don't know. It don't matter who he is.
Yeah, so they just went back and forth at the end of this about, you know, if 16 thought he was being backdoored, but you should have never showed up. Just you showing up over internet beef, bro. A dude that you don't even know? Like to fight about what? Because he called you a pedo? Like it's hella people that's gonna call you that. So now you're gonna fight everybody? Like I feel like you just picking and choosing, and you kind of know that the dude was a little slow. And I don't know. That's just me. I don't know this dude. I don't know 16. I'm just saying. It just seems like that. It just went left for no reason. The owner, he had the right and he didn't have the right. Because you had the right to be like, yo, y'all ain't doing nothing in here, and y'all ain't putting y'all hands on me. But at the same time, you got to know the consequences or the reaction when people hear you make a threat or make a promise. Shit, because most likely it's a promise. Because if I don't make threats, I make promises. If I tell you I'm gonna hurt you, I'm gonna hurt you. Best believe that. If I tell you I'm gonna hurt you, I'm gonna hurt you. Point blank. But y'all, man, this was different. Y'all go over to the 16 ShotEm page, and y'all can hear his full breakdown of what he perceived to happen because he was there. I'm just going by what I see of this video. Y'all be careful out here, man. Don't let these internet people trick you out your bag and all this other foolishness. Because I do reactions, and if somebody want to fight me over my reaction, it is what it is. Just don't come over here to me. I promise you, because it's not. I'm not fighting nobody. It ain't gonna end well unless I know you. If I know you and I did a reaction on you, that's something different. But if I don't know you from Adam and I'm just doing a reaction and you come to, fair warning to everybody, don't do it. Okay, don't do it. I want to smile and laugh. Have a great day. All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the tick and the blicker. Why you ain't do it the whole time? Right here. It's been telling y'all the whole time what to do. Make sure you do it, because if not, you gonna die.